Hello, and welcome back to the Crypto Airdrop channel. Today, I want to introduce you to an incredibly promising project that you should not miss. Before I share details about this project, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on potential airdrop projects in the future. The project I'd like to introduce today is Somnia. This is a Layer 1 EVM blockchain project with the fastest transaction speed currently available, up to 400,000 transactions per second, at the lowest cost. As stated by the project, it is developed by the Virtual Society Foundation, supported by M² and Improbable, and has raised $150 million in funding from investors such as Andreessen Horowitz, SoftBank Vision Fund 2, Marana, and other venture funds. For more details, you can refer to the information on BusinessWire. Currently, the project is running 2 campaigns for everyone to participate in: Somnia Testnet Odyssey Socials and Somnia Testnet Odyssey Onchain. As of now, there are relatively few participants, so join early to gain an edge. Step-by-step guide to Somnia Testnet Odyssey Socials. Join Somnia Testnet Odyssey Socials. To start, you need to create a MetaMask wallet. Steps to participate. Access the link provided in the video description and connect it to your MetaMask wallet. Enter your Discord, Telegram, and Twitter usernames and click Connect to confirm the connection. Then, return to check the status of your tasks. Complete 2 tasks. Follow Somnia's official page and retweet a post. Done. Oh, finally. Share your referral link to complete all tasks for the Somnia DevNet Odyssey socials. Moving on to Somnia DevNet Odyssey Onchain. Before participating, ensure your MetaMask wallet is connected. Follow the tasks, quests, as instructed. 1. Request and get STT token. Successfully request the token. Done in no time. Verify the status of your request. Once successful, move to the next task. 2. Send STT tokens to one or more members. Select a random address and complete the transaction. You will need the TX hash of the transaction to confirm it. Follow my steps to do this. Done successfully. 3. Receive an STT transaction. Contact someone and ask them to send you a transaction to complete this task. Join our Telegram group to connect and exchange with others. Additional activities. You can also use the project swap feature. 1. Access the provided link. 2. Mint WSDT and SUSDT to enable swap functionality. 3. Swap tokens, for example, swapping 120 WSDT. Done quickly and smoothly. Additionally, you can create a pool or your own token. I tried creating my own token. And it worked successfully. Let's check its smart contract. That's a quick guide to participating in the Somnia Testnet project. This is a highly promising project, so join now to be among the first contributors. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give us a like and share it. Thank you for watching.